tell me you were wrong. Swear my mind erased you the moment we were done. All out of me, you're all out of me.
Hi, all you're watching the TV network. I'm Prisoners and Williams. They block the erosion. Liberia is gearing towards a massive development. Since 1847, this kind of thing has not been happening in our country, but you see Liberia has the mindset of the Liberian changing gradually. So you can see these are all the lights.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you
This is the largest and the biggest park. The one in Claratown is the smallest one, but it's the largest and the biggest park for now.
Did I know she wanted you alone? I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear it
Yeah, we are ready for Patrick. We are good afternoon, and Patrick, we are going to tell her. So, Patrick, what do you make of this? The part has been.
Yeah, well, this part is a great part in the history of the Republic. This part will always live for the legacy of the president, even when he passed, former President George Martin. This part is the greatest part ever in his book. I'm very excited to be on this part.
There will be a legacy of that part people remember him.
Yes.
But from 1847 up to this day, this has been the first of a kind in the Republic of Liberia. What does it bring to the mind of a president who is there going out and he living there? What does it bring to the mind of the Liberian people? What would they say?
They cannot say, but they only say that
They may say for the good thing he did. This is Patrick where he giving a view what the president had done. They will live on years by years. So Patrick, we thank you for having on our show.
To the moon and back, we had a love like that. Why do I feel like that's slowly fading? We used to be friends, that was way back when. You and I, we were a slow burn baby. Oh, we were young, so tenderly. Looked at the world through rose-colored glasses. You had your goals, then you met me.
See how beautiful the road is. And you can see the green out there. So Liberia can be compared to some of the African countries based on the park. These are some of the places that are around Africa here and even in Europe. And so we are trying to grow our, give the Liberian people a better life. Love and subscribe to our page.